When you think about traveling, there is always that one city that catches your imagination even before you arrive. Today, I want to take you on a journey through a place that mixes modern excitement with the charm of old traditions, a place where every street feels like it has a story to tell. As we explore this city together, imagine walking slowly, taking your time, and feeling every moment as if you were truly there. When you first step into the city, the air feels different. You see people from many places, walking with purpose or relaxing at cafes, each creating a small piece of the city's rhythm. The sound of footsteps on the pavement, the hum of distant conversations, and the gentle movement of traffic all blend into one calming soundtrack. You feel as if the city is welcoming you personally. As you walk forward, the buildings begin to reveal their personalities. Some stand tall and bold, made of glass that reflects the sun like a mirror. Others are old and decorated with carefully carved stones, showing history through every detail. When you look up, you notice balconies full of flowers, windows framed by beautiful designs, and rooftops that give the skyline a unique shape. The longer you explore, the more you feel like the buildings themselves are inviting you to understand their stories. One of the most enjoyable things in this city is simply wandering. You can let your feet take you wherever they want. You might turn into a small side street and discover a quiet corner that feels peaceful. Maybe you pass by a bakery where the smell of fresh bread fills the air, making you wish you could taste everything. Or maybe you find a colorful shop selling handmade crafts, clothes, and souvenirs. Even if you are not planning to buy anything, just looking at the creativity is enjoyable. As you keep walking, you begin to notice the people. Some are tourists like you, holding cameras, looking around with wide smiles. Others are locals moving confidently through the streets because they know the city so well. Children run around with laughter, couples enjoy their time together, and elderly people sit on benches watching life go by. Everyone seems to add their own energy, and that mixture is what truly brings the city to life. The city becomes even more interesting when you explore the parks. Trees stand tall, giving shade to people having picnics or reading books. The grass feels soft, and the sound of birds adds a gentle melody to the afternoon. Water fountains sparkle under the sunlight, and the fresh breeze carries the smell of flowers. It's the perfect place to relax and breathe, especially after walking for a long time. Eventually, you reach a famous viewpoint. From there, the whole city lies below you. You see the rooftops, the river flowing through the center, the bridges connecting different sides, and the magnificent buildings rising proudly. The view is breathtaking. You take a deep breath, feeling grateful for the moment. The city looks peaceful from above, almost like a painting, and you understand why so many people fall in love with this place. While exploring, food becomes another beautiful part of the journey. The local restaurants and street vendors offer delicious meals that reflect the culture and history of the city. You might enjoy a warm dish that reminds you of home, or something completely new that surprises you with its taste. Sitting at a restaurant, you notice how people talk with excitement, how friends share meals, and how the relaxed atmosphere makes time feel slower. As the sun starts to set, the city slowly transforms. The sky turns golden, then pink, and finally deep blue. Lights begin to shine everywhere, from windows, from street lamps, from cars moving along the roads. The reflections on the river create a magical scene, almost like the city is glowing. Walking during this time feels different. The temperature becomes cooler, the streets become quieter, and the evening breeze brings a calming feeling. Nightlife adds another layer of charm. Cafes become warmer and cozier, restaurants fill with people enjoying dinner, and music escapes from different corners of the city. Some streets feel lively with people laughing and enjoying the night. Others remain calm, perfect for slow walking and thinking about your day. You notice how the city balances excitement and peace, giving everyone a place to feel comfortable. As you continue walking through the night, you feel more connected to the city than before. The lights create long shadows on the ground, and the cool air makes the moment feel fresh. You pass by historical monuments that look even more beautiful under the night sky, their details highlighted by the soft lighting. Every step feels meaningful, as if the city is sharing its secrets with you. Eventually, you find a quiet spot near the river. You sit down and watch the reflections move gently on the surface of the water. A bridge stands above you, decorated with lights that create a beautiful glow. Cars pass slowly, people walk in small groups, and the calm sound of the river mixes with the city's gentle noise. It's peaceful, comforting, and inspiring. While you sit there, you think about the memories you've made throughout the day. The charming streets, the delicious food, the friendly people, the beautiful views. Everything comes together in your mind like a story you will remember for a long time. Travelers often say that the best part of visiting a new place is not only what you see, but how it makes you feel. And in this moment, you understand exactly what they mean. A whole day in this city teaches you something important. Sometimes, life becomes richer when you slow down and pay attention to small details. It might be the smile of someone passing by, the smell of fresh flowers, the warmth of the sun on your face, or the sound of distant music. These simple things create beautiful memories. As the night grows deeper, you stand up and take one last look at the city. The buildings shine softly under the stars, the river continues flowing gently, and the cool night air wraps around you. You feel thankful for the experience, for the peace, and for the adventure you lived today. It's a moment you will carry with you forever. Walking back, you feel different in a positive way, more relaxed, more inspired, and more connected to the world. Travel does that. It opens your heart and mind to new experiences. It reminds you that life is full of beauty waiting to be discovered, step by step, moment by moment. And as the day ends, you know one thing for sure: this city has given you a story that will stay with you, and one day, maybe you will return to explore it even deeper. For now, you take the memories with you, holding them gently like a treasure. And with every memory comes a feeling of happiness, gratitude, and wonder for the world we live in.